Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it randomly right here. And it feels like they actually covered this product very well with bubble wrap. Some Amazon employees knock on my door, some just leave it there without knocking, which kind of sucks because I live in an apartment complex and people can take stuff. Oh yeah, there's some bubble wrap. They have their own package. Okay, I had to pause that to make sure my information wasn't on here either. It says sale prohibited upon unsealed package opened if void appears. So, y'all, it is. Why isn't that focusing? Okay, I don't know why it's being difficult to focus, but it's glow-in-the-dark dip powder kit G606 from a brand called GHDip. Let's see. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Some of my friends are probably coming inside my apartment, so I gotta be quick about this. Oh my god! Look how pretty that is. I like the little box. It's cute. Let me open this. Okay, it looks like it's from up here. Yeah. Oh, there's a little thing here about a free gift. Keep that to the side. Oh my god, you guys, they're so vibrant. That's exactly what I've been wanting. Let me see if I turn that light away a little bit. Fast drying dip powder. Okay, so these are instructions. Oh, their color catalog. I guess a little bit about them. Some more instructions. We'll go over that in a minute. It's the zoom feature. There we go. Yo, 17 grams. When do you ever find a dip powder that's 17 grams? Okay. Alright, so first impression. Opening. Okay, they're sealed. Let's see how easy the seal comes off. Not too hard. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, I'm obsessed. And first of all, how cute is this packaging? How freaking cute is that? So I'm just gonna go through the colors after, but yeah, these are them. Because I'm gonna swatch them. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, let's acknowledge this. Shiny, easy to operate, stable, fast drying from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Fast drying in 30 seconds. Oh, they say it's a new formula for professional use only. And if you don't know, I did get my license. So, yeah. But these can be bought by anyone on Amazon if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so I got them all open. And we're about to test them. The true and tried test of how bright they glow. They've only been under this little lamp for a few minutes. So let's see. I'm gonna turn off my light first. And y'all, first can we admire how beautiful these colors are. We have white, what looks like a nude, my favorite color purple, 2 different shades of blue. I would say these are green shades, that's more of a yellow. It's like a neon yellow. Then we have this beautiful neon but light orange, brighter orange, and then these 2 pinks here. Alright. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Well, okay. I don't know, I gotta see if some of these colors... I don't know if they're duds or not. I've heard of that happening to a couple people, but we're gonna have to find out because I know I really wanted that purple glow. Okay, so the ones that didn't really seem to have a glow was the blue, this pink, that purple, and that was the one I was most excited for. And these two, and this one, well, these two especially seem to have a very slight glow, but very, very unnoticeable. And this one seemed to be picking up a little bit, but this green definitely glows super bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I mean, I mixed them with this, with the end of this little stick right here. I mixed them up to see if maybe that was an issue, and I'm gonna go ahead and charge them up with my UV lamp. So yeah, give it a few minutes on that. Maybe do it for like 2-3 minutes with the UV lamp, and we'll see how that goes. After putting them under the UV lamp, look at that. How freaking cute is that? I mean, it definitely looks like some of them might end up glowing, but I don't know. I'm a little hesitant about that blue and purple. They look like they might not. Okay, for the moment of truth. Yes. 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 They just need to be stirred well. And then shaken even better. And then charged a lot. Oh my freaking god, you guys. How beautiful. Look at that. That is insane. Oh my god. First impressions, definitely great. Wow. I can't even, like, I'm obsessed. I kind of want to put the lamp over it a little bit more. It seems that this purple here and the blue there, they need to be like super extra charged because, well, first of all, I mean, you can't really see my nails, but they are glowing just a little bit. So this blue and this purple, I had to put the lids back on and close them and like shake them even harder even after stirring them. But y'all, I'm so obsessed. I can't stop. I can't stop. Look. Oh my god, look how pretty. I think I might actually like that pink quite a bit. Even the nude is so, oh. Y'all, are you for real? GHDip, you're doing your thing. Because wow. Wow. I don't want to stop staring at them. And even though you can't really see that color, it actually does glow a little bit purple. Okay, so if at first you don't believe they glow, just try to shake it again and stir it and mix it very well, because they sure do glow. Like, super freaking bright. It's insane. Can we just point out, this is what I get for not reading. The first step literally says, shake the powder jar before opening the cap, or mix the powder to make the powder even and avoid powder sticking together every time when you apply powder. I did not shake them before I opened them. I got too trigger happy. Okay, so the moral of the story is shake your bottles before you decide to open them. Make sure you shake them vigorously. I have the swatches here for you guys. Enjoy them. And please go buy this product if you love glow in the dark. It's GHDip on Amazon. The kit is about $29 typically, I think, but I got it for a lightning deal. And the colors are amazing. Some of the best pigmented and most glow in the dark powders I've ever seen. So check them out. And stay tuned for the swatch video coming up.